Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical point seeder, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from point seeder, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best point seeder from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Field Tuff FTF 603 PTS 3-point seeder 60 inches. The Field Tuff FTF 603 PTS 3-point seeder 60 inches is the perfect tool to efficiently seed large areas with ease. Designed to fit Category 1 hitches, this 60-inch seeder covers a broad 10-row span, making your seeding process faster and more effective. With 6-inch row spacing and adjustable sowing depths, ranging from 3 by 4 inch to 2 inch, it's ideal for a wide variety of seeds, including corn, beans, oats, grass, and food plot mixes. This seeder features adjustable slots to customize the opening according to your specific needs, ensuring versatility for different types of seeds. Each row includes 2 boxes with lockable slides for better control of seed distribution. Built with durable and reliable construction, the Field Tuff FTF 603 PTS offers long-lasting performance for any agricultural, lawn, or garden project. Backed by a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty, this 3-point seeder is an excellent choice for streamlining your planting process and achieving consistent, high-quality results. Number 2. EarthWay 1001B Precision Garden Seeder Row Planter. The EarthWay 1001B Precision Garden Seeder Row Planter is the perfect tool for gardeners who want to achieve straight rows, consistent plant spacing, and accurate seed depth. Made from durable aluminum and designed with a rust-proof poly hopper, this high-quality seeder ensures long-lasting performance season after season. It's ideal for planting over 38 types of seeds, including sweet corn, carrots, lettuce, peas, and more. The 1001B seeder features a sturdy furrow plow that allows you to control seed depth, while the included seed plates ensure precise spacing for each plant. With a set of 7 standard plates, you'll have the right plate for a wide variety of seeds, from radishes to okra. Proudly made in Bristol, Indiana, EarthWay provides a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support for your peace of mind. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, the EarthWay 1001B is the perfect addition to your planting tools. Number 3. PCWLH Corn Plant Seeder with Adjustable Depth. The PCWLH corn plant seeder with adjustable depth is the perfect tool for efficient and precise planting. Whether you're sowing 1 seed or multiple seeds per hole, this seeder offers flexible planting options for various crops, ensuring neat and consistent seed distribution. With a high-capacity transparent compartment, you can easily distribute seeds over large areas covering up to 10 acres in a single day. Featuring an adjustable planting depth ranged from 3.5 to 7.8 cm, the PCWLH seeder ensures your seeds are sown at the optimal depth for successful germination and growth. Its durable construction, made from thickened stainless iron and a bionic duck-billed design, allows for quick ground penetration, making it suitable for both large and small seeds. This seeder saves you time and energy, streamlining the planting process so you can focus on other tasks. Ideal for use in lawns, gardens, and fields, the PCWLH corn plant seeder is a must-have for any gardener or farmer looking to enhance efficiency and productivity. Number 4. Lfhelper Manual Dog Collar, Leader, Hand Push, Garden Seeder, Roller Seeding. The Lfhelper Manual Seeder, Hand Push Garden Seeder Roller seeding is the perfect tool to make your planting process faster and more efficient. Say goodbye to the traditional bending and planting method. This semi-automatic seeder injects seeds directly into the soil, saving you physical effort while ensuring precise and neat sowing. It's ideal for various seeds such as sweet corn, radish, spinach, carrots, peas, and more. Designed for efficiency, one person can plant 6 to 8 acres a day, tripling your planting speed. The sowing depth ranges from 3.5 to 7.8 cm, and it can plant 1 to 2 seeds per hole, ensuring a higher germination rate. Its lightweight, easy-to-use design makes it suitable for women and the elderly, making it perfect for use in gardens, lawns, terraces, and even on hillsides. Made from durable materials with a corrosion-resistant finish, this cedar is built to last, providing a practical and reliable solution for all your planting needs. Number 5. LEYSRIS Manual Cedar Hand Push Garden Cedar. The LEYSRIS Manual Cedar Hand Push Garden Cedar is designed to make your planting tasks faster and more efficient, offering precision and ease. With its unique brush design, it controls the seed count to 1 to 2 seeds per hole, ensuring accurate sowing and preventing seed damage. The iron nozzles feature equal spacing 10.24 inches for consistent seed placement, making harvesting easier. This labor-saving cedar eliminates the need for bending or digging, directly injecting seeds into the soil while you remain standing. This significantly reduces the time and effort spent on planting, allowing you to sow quickly and accurately. The sowing depth is adjustable to 3.15 inches, and the seed quantity can also be customized to suit your needs. With a large storage capacity of 8.27 lbs, you won't need to refill the seed box frequently. Plus, the clear shell lets you monitor seed levels, ensuring you never run out during planting. Perfect for gardeners looking for an efficient and convenient planting solution. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.